Oh yeah, you right, bruv. Actually, I don't know what we're gonna do for this video because it's just gonna be going over how we're going to torture my friend. I'm gonna spin off light real quick, see if I can get something good. If I roll gas, I'll use that. Yeah, but what we're gonna do, if my friend starts to live stream Call of Duty, I'll pull up a picture of his channels right now. Oh, I rolled gas. All right, I'm going to be using gas, but we're going to stream snipe him on Call of Duty because he decided that he didn't want to do videos with me, so he's been making this story. Maybe he's not making it up, his parents are scared. That his parents won't let him do a video with me because supposedly our channels are bigger. We need our channels to be bigger for it to actually benefit us, which makes no sense. No sense at all.
But my sensitivity is way too high.
So our plan is to stream snipe him constantly once he starts his live streaming journey and just torture him.
Gas, Nika.
Kind of need to move away from it. Because of that.
Oh, bro.
Whatever. Alright.
Damn. Jesus, bro. I can't do anything because of this dumb sensitivity. I'm using Nika.
That is a giant injury. That's kind of insane.
Oh, yep. Zero paying loser. I almost missed my rising bullet, bro.
Maybe we should do some speed.
I'm not really good at that game.
I should have just taken the I like gas because you just have to play some of your skill.
But what was that like? But I got glitched on the map. But I can't.
You're just gonna keep holding that.
Me? Use the gas.
Okay. My brain's off.
Jesus.
What is it doing, bro? No!
Oh my god.
Okay. Maybe I could do some videos, just like doing tutorials on things. Because I'm not like super strong in the game, but I'm pretty good. What is that, bro?
What is that, man?
What is that? Okay.
Why does my sensitivity feel so off? Bro, my sensitivity feels so off.
Because I don't even really care what I'm using right now, bro.
My sensitivity is on 1.
Great, another out. Just what I was about to say. I'm just gonna put this corner. Get off.
No, you're using Dark Oak Wake. Me said, do not know that.
No.
Oh, we're fine. Nika too.
Oh, is it a straight up match?
Is it Dark Oak Wake versus Dark Oak Wake?
No. Why were there 2 turrets?
Oh my god.
I'll get
I
one
hate
of
me.
you. Okay, forgot.
No.
I forgot that there's this weird glitch where
Damn it. This guy literally just spams his iframes.
you did
Cause my freaking down rocket couldn't do anything and I got hit by your turret like 20 times.
Get over. Okay, that is not true whatsoever.
I know, but don't judge. I didn't have them.
Oh my god.
Oh.
So you have no iframe. You don't even know how to block.
Bro. That Nika got hit by it too.
Wait, you hit both.
Oh my god. I generally suck at the game.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were.
Bro, get away from me. Or him. Cause I wanna kill his ass. Not knowing how to block that's crazy.
Ooh, we could just do double Nika. Double Nika's fun.
Yeah.
And I would use TSR this here. But low key, bro. I may have reworked this, so it's
I'll spend your fat ass 1v2. X Giga.
I like TSR more. I think it's more fun. I could just hop away with account, but I want to stick with something for the rest of this.
The triple Gatling on.
Dude, if we had double TSR. I don't know if that would.
Maybe. Someone would have to
it
win.
would definitely.
Not sure at all, but we'll go for it.
Dude, just don't vote on it. Vote on this kid. Vote on this kid. Vote on him.
This good? What is your idea, buddy? Ah. Not blocking that is insane. Double wash?
I mean, no. It's not. Double wash?
This, yeah. There we go.
That wig damage.
His teammate's dead.
Brother. Oh.
Where'd he go?
Wow. I really need to stop doing it. I feel like I'm just doing it against someone who's actually good. I would get.
Oh,
Oh my
Ethan,
gosh,
look at
it's
him.
Booger Boo. It's kind of annoying. It's all you.
Who's 1911?
You forgot the pickles.
There's a fucking furry. What the hell?
Bowie. He's a Bowie, guys.
The tiniest one too. Like it's eating the most.
I swear to God, we just lost rank. Ugh.
Did we lose rank?
And we're not in the same server.
How much did we lose? Fuck.
Maybe I'll show that clip. It'd be funny. You'd understand the name. Mr. Mo. Mr. Mo.
Yep, I knew it.
Can't do that.
Fuck you.
I'm starting to wonder.
Oh, this guy's using shift lock. He's using lock. And why would you do that?
Bro, I hate Bolo Bull. We need to get this code. Thank you, Abe. I'm sorry. He was able to do that.
Oh my god. Can you not like get the love?
Oh, please don't.
I'm literally like the freaking spamming. Love is the dumbest food in the game. What?
What?
I blocked.
Yeah, you're not hitting that demo. And you getting hit by... I swear to God.
The fuck?
I'm pissed. I'm so bad at this. I'm dog shit.
I knew. I know dragging your teeth, buddy.
Yo, can I get some help?
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
god!
die. Yeah, I'm dead.
I'm dead. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, you're gonna just hurt string me again for ice out. Here, watch out. Dude, how is she not in that?
Oh, I'm dead.
Love this game.
Cause you're dumb bad John. To go
Oh
sideways.
yeah, your Giga Inch doesn't go into the middle.
Yeah.
The one time. The one time. Whatever, bro. I don't care. And watch, we lose 15 rank, even though one of them is pretty close to us. Yeah, that's insane, actually. Because I've been 200 rank, and we've beaten like a level 400 rank. We only get 5.
Yeah. Why aren't we in the fucking thing server? I have to have someone blocked in this. Hold on, let me look. Why is CT Blur playing this, bro? But he's from a game you do not
I
want to
don't
know.
even care about rank, bro. I'm literally...
Yeah, bro. Off video, but I need to tell you what that kid's from. It's
my life together.
no.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, it's from a much freakier game.
What are you doing?
I accidentally joined one of my friends in it too, and that.
McDonald's. It is McDonald's from McDonald's, yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Walk.
Are you like the idiot? I was blocked.
What? Oh boy.
Why can't I move? What was I doing, bro?
Danos Yama. Blank.
Okay, he's dead. I fucking infinite comboed him.
Lol. Sadness. Yama.
Damn. Damn. Give me him. But no, I'm glitched. I think he fixed it. Cause I didn't.
Yeah, man. Wagwan, brother.
How are you island?
It's top tier. Like, bro.
Bro,
Don't even matter.
you can put me into 1.1 and I'll dive to the fucking one, like the trashiest, the beginner plane, bro. The reserve freaking plane
Well, how do you get better?
by plane. But whenever I pray, I crash into the ground. Come back here, boy.
Brother.
Bro, let's Bro, I do not see one move not being popped.
Block it.
Oh my god, this flame made Cylian to fuck off.
I'm touching
Double
you.
get. Oh, what? Bro, you idiot. I'm always gonna punish.
Reverse punish.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my mode's
Yeah, let's
glitched.
double block.
I don't have it. I mean my mode's glitched.
Ow, man. That hurt. Why you do that?
I blocked it and I didn't get hit. Oh, no, one headset, I have to have two, gang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Walk on, bro. Okay, I feel like. Well.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna cut most of that out. Let's do one more match. Wagwan, brother. Wagwan.
Oh, bro, we have to go for 1 hour. Train people's
And I have to edit
minds.
for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yay.
And then we gotta go bit 5 pounds. What?
Oh, it's a soul.
Why am I blocking that? I'm a general idiot.
Double.
Try to fail gas me. Bro,
I'm getting touched.
Thank you for the
You're gonna get
iPhone.
touched harder.
That's not bad. Why do I keep freaking blocking her?
Hold up. Hold up on it. Hold up on it.
Okay. Fezzies. You.
I'm asking.
Yeah, you look out of that. Cause I'm big fucking head.
What's wrong? 'Cause you wanted to pull this.
We didn't. Did we hit both of them? Yeah. Come here. Fuck.
Might be one.
Aw, damn.
I'm out. Oh.
What?
I got teleported back in before I go. Okay, but
I think
killed
that
him
good.
'cause I did 90 damage to him. I am officially stupid. Double rising? Oh yeah. Oh yeah? My name is Timmy, and I'm correct. Peace.
Oh.
Or might actually be bigger.
Gimme.
So we gotta mode up on both of them, bro. Like we just
Yeah.
gotta get one. Like we gotta double Gatling him, and then like mode up on him.
Mhm.
Like the other person modes up on him. It'd be open.
Yeah. We have to save a kid though. For the end, you know.
Oh my god, it's Soul. Yeah,
Oh, but and why each other? Smart.
Smart.
Oh, only once solo.
Like, ooh, we could do double Soul.
Yeah. But the Nika's just not doing anything about his teammate. And mounting up, not even on us.
What? Oh, he hit
Oh, I got.
the
Baby.
Beep, boo.
Aw.
Hacking?
I framed. Mm-mm. This kid really does
I
not
need an
block.
in-depth explanation.
Thank you for putting yourself into it. You literally hit me.
Okay, but I also need an
You didn't hit the soul. This kid needs to learn to block.
double bash?
True. This is pretty.
This is some damage. Bro, he got flung. Now we just wait for our boss to come back. Let's just go on the other side real quick. Walking around. Making my way downtown. Walking fast. Faces passing
Can't do too much damage, so we just have to stall him.
Making my way downtown. Walking fast. Faces passing them homebound. I need you.
Bro, I have gear 5. Who is that hitting?
Come on.
Where's that?
I'm a weak man.
My Bajang's almost back. I see us.
Almost.
In 3, 2.
It's not back, bro.
I'm just counting. 1. Mine's back.
Okay, we're just gonna get it. Oh yeah, there we go.
He hit me. Bruh. Oh. Don't do another move on. I mean,
Double bash.
yes. Good way to end it off.
Die from, like, another move. There we go. That's how you end it off. Wait! We have to land another double lodge so I can get a screenshot.
Oh yeah.
Here, I'll just stop recording, and then we'll